Type 2. Interchange of signs and numbers. Here is a question. Which of the following meanings of the arithmetical signs will yield the value 0 for the below expression? For this expression, which of these options will give us the value as 0? Let's find out. According to option A, plus means minus, minus means multiplication, multiplication means division, division means plus. Let's substitute this in the given expression. 200 divided by 100 minus 300 divided by 200 into 10 plus 2 minus 40. If you solve this according to Bodmas rule, we'll be getting the following steps. 2 minus 3 by 2 into 10 plus 2 minus 40. 2 minus 15 plus 2 minus 40. So this will not give us 0. So option A is wrong. Now let's try for option B. According to option B, plus means minus, minus means division, multiplication means plus, and division means multiplication. Let's substitute this in the given expression. 200 plus 100 minus 300 plus 200 divided by 10 into 2 minus 40. Correct? Now let's solve this. According to Bodmas rule, 200 plus 100 minus 300 plus 20 into 2 minus 40. Further simplifying this, 200 plus 100 minus 300 plus 40 minus 40. On further simplifying this, 300 minus 300 plus 40 minus 40, which is equal to 0. So option B will give us the answer as 0. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Type 3. Deriving the appropriate conclusions. Here is a question. If A greater than B, B greater than C, and C greater than D, then which of the following conclusions is definitely wrong? It is given in the question that A is greater than B is greater than C, and C is greater than D, isn't it? From these three statements, it is clearly evident that A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than D, because D is the least one, C is greater than D, and B is greater than C, and A is greater than B. Therefore, A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than D. Now let's look for the options here. A is greater than D, which is correct. A is greater than C, which is correct from this expression. D is greater than A. Is it true? D is not greater than A. So option C is the wrong answer.